Welcome back to another iDaily Buzz special. Today, we will be talking about Perplexity AI. So, what exactly is Perplexity AI? Simply put, it's a revolutionary AI-powered search tool that combines the best of traditional search engines with the advanced capabilities of AI. Instead of just providing a list of links, Perplexity AI gives you direct answers to your questions, all while pulling from real-time, up-to-date information across the web. Whether you're doing research, learning something new, or just curious about a topic, Perplexity AI streamlines the process. It's perfect for anyone who's tired of wasting time on irrelevant search results and wants a smarter, faster way to find exactly what they're looking for. In this video, we'll explore how Perplexity AI works, its key features, and how it's shaping the future of online search. Let's dive in. One of the standout features of Perplexity AI is its ability to pull real-time, up-to-date information from the web. This is something that really sets it apart from traditional search engines and even other AI tools. So, how does this work, and why is it so important? Let's start with traditional search engines like Google. When you search for something, you're often led to pages that were published at various times, and sometimes those pages may be outdated. Sure, you'll get a list of articles, but it's up to you to sort through them and check their publication dates to make sure you're looking at the most current info. For example, let's say there's a major event happening, like a tech conference or a new scientific discovery. If you ask Perplexity about it, it won't just give you static, pre-generated information. Instead, it actively browses reliable sources, pulls in the latest updates, and presents them in an easy-to-understand format. And the best part? It often cites where it's pulling the information from, so you can verify the sources and dive deeper if you want. With Perplexity AI, however, the whole process is much more streamlined. It pulls data in real time, ensuring that the information you're getting is not only relevant, but as up-to-date as possible. Whether you're asking about a current event, the latest trends in technology, or something that's constantly evolving, Perplexity AI gives you answers based on the latest available data, without you needing to sift through pages of results. For example, let's say you want to know about the latest updates in the world of artificial intelligence or recent developments in space exploration. Instead of reading through several blog posts or articles, Perplexity AI provides a concise, direct answer, pulling from the most recent sources available. It's a huge time saver for anyone who needs the most current information, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for accurate and up-to-date facts. One of the features that really sets Perplexity AI apart from other search tools is its ability to provide source citations alongside its answers. Now, you might ask yourself, why is this such a big deal? Well, in a world where information is constantly changing and misinformation can spread quickly, having reliable sources is more important than ever. When you ask a question in Perplexity AI, you don't just get a direct answer. What makes it even more valuable is that it shows you exactly where that information comes from. The tool pulls from a wide range of trusted sources across the web, whether it's news sites, research papers, academic journals, or other credible platforms, and provides links to these sources within the response. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone doing research, fact-checking, or simply trying to learn something new. By seeing the sources listed right next to the answer, you can verify the credibility of the information instantly. If you need more details or want to dig deeper into a topic, you can simply click on the sources provided to explore the full context of the information. For example, let's say you ask Perplexity AI about the latest trends in renewable energy. Instead of just giving you a vague response, Perplexity will give you a detailed answer, and then list the exact studies, articles, or papers it used to generate that response. This means you can trust that the answer is backed by real research and not just general knowledge. This transparency also helps combat the issue of misinformation. If you ever have doubts about the answer you've received, you can always go straight to the source, check the data, and see for yourself. It's a level of accountability that's not always present in other AI tools or search engines. In short, source citations in Perplexity AI make it a much more reliable and trustworthy tool for finding accurate information. Whether you're using it for quick answers or more in-depth research, this feature ensures that you're always getting facts that are grounded in credible, verifiable sources. Another standout Perplexity AI feature is its conversational interface. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? And why is it so important? Let me break it down for you. With Perplexity AI, the experience is much more interactive and intuitive. Instead of just showing you a bunch of links and leaving you to figure it out, the tool acts like a conversation partner. You type in a question or a topic you're curious about, and Perplexity AI responds directly with the information you need, just like you were talking to a knowledgeable assistant. What's amazing about this conversational format is that it makes the search experience feel more natural and human-like. You're not just typing and waiting for a static list of search results. You're engaging with the AI in a back-and-forth conversation, asking follow-up questions, and refining your search without ever leaving the platform. This makes it far more efficient and personalized than traditional search engines. For example, if you ask a question about a complex topic, Perplexity AI can summarize the key points and provide clear answers. But it doesn't stop there. You can follow up with more specific questions or dive deeper into areas that interest you, all within the same conversation. The AI keeps the context of your conversation, so it can tailor its responses to exactly what you're looking for. This conversational interface also means you're not bombarded with irrelevant information. The AI listens to your query, understands what you're asking, and gives you a focused, relevant response every time. It's like having a personal research assistant who's always ready to help and never loses track of the conversation. In short, Perplexity AI's conversational interface transforms the way you interact with information. It makes the entire process faster, more efficient, and much more enjoyable, giving you exactly what you need in a way that's easy to understand and use. One of the best things about Perplexity AI is its pricing model. The tool is completely free to use, which makes it accessible to anyone, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for quick, reliable information. You don't need to pay a subscription or sign up for anything to get started. You can ask questions and get answers instantly without hitting a paywall. For users who want even more features, there's also a premium plan available, offering benefits like faster response times and more advanced capabilities. However, for most users, the free version provides everything you need to make the most of this powerful tool. In short, Perplexity AI is a great option for anyone looking for a cost-effective way to get accurate real-time information, whether you're using the free version or opting for the premium features. So there you have it. Perplexity AI is a powerful, easy-to-use tool that combines the best of traditional search with cutting-edge AI. With its ability to deliver real-time, up-to-date information, source citations for transparency, and a conversational interface that makes searching feel more natural. It's a game changer for how we find and interact with information online. If you're looking for an efficient, reliable, and user-friendly way to get answers and dive deep into any topic, Perplexity AI is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in trying Perplexity AI yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of its features, and if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review or dive into next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover the latest and greatest trends in AI tools, sharing tips, reviews, and insights to help you get the most out of these technologies, whether you're a developer, content creator, or just curious about what AI can do. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.